Hi, my name is Isabella Cortez, and I will be presenting the Roleplay app. This is the title screen of the Roleplay app. These are the buttons or fandoms that a user can join or press. My app gives users writing prompts. The way to get writing prompts is by choosing a fandom and a character. The user starts off by clicking one of the fandom buttons. We are going to use Percy Jackson as the example. The user starts off by pushing Percy Jackson. The button is shown down below the 3 bullet points. After selecting the fandom, the person is directed to a character selection choice. Once making the character selection, over here, then the person is given a prompt right here. There are some fandoms that do not have character selections because there are too many choices and too many screens. So those are basically free writes. I used MIT App Inventor. I used it because during freshman year, I had used it, and I figured it would be better to refresh myself rather than using something new and not being able to deliver the end result. That is the logo, and that is some code from my game or app. My program solves the need for writing, reading, an activity to do, especially during quarantine, and it solves the need for writing ideas. How perfect is that? I had 3 issues, and I was successful in overcoming them. My first issue was that MIT App Inventor was slow. I had to reload the website a lot, but I was patient, and sometimes I would wait a day after working on a project. I wanted to test my project on my phone, but my Chromebook and phone would not link up. So I ended up making the prompts one line like this. I was trying to test it so that I could write multiple sentences, but it's okay because I was able to figure out a prompt. My third issue was that Skype did not work on my Chromebook, so I'll just have to use my Apple computer for our class presentation. First, I made a list of fandoms. These are some of the fandoms. Then I thought of how many characters would be included for each fandom. I think the highest number I used was 3. After that, I made screens for each of the character selection screens, and I changed the background, added buttons, and I added text to those. Then I made screens for each of the characters, and I changed the backgrounds, colors, buttons, and text boxes for those screens. Finally, I connected all the screens together and added the writing prompts, and I double checked my work to make sure it was what I wanted to show. I really enjoyed making this app. Thank you for taking the time to listen and to read my presentation. I hope you enjoyed using the app. Thank you for using the app.